Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to accurately determine the nature type of a JavaScript value, whether it is an array, a set, or even null. We learn how to identify it using its constructor. This method is cleaner than typeof and more precise when distinguishing complex types. Let's dive into the details and implement this together. We need a reliable way to detect native types, especially for values like null or objects like set. Standard type of doesn't always give the full picture. Type of null returns object. That's why this method is more robust and consistent. It gives developers clarity and precision for debugging and logic branching. We start by checking if the value is undefined or null. These do not have constructors. Then, for everything else, we get the constructor name and convert it into lowercase. This captures types like set, array, and map accurately. It is short, elegant, and effective for nearly every JavaScript value. This logic is built to handle the quirks of JavaScript's type system. By using early returns for undefined and null, we avoid errors. Then, we safely use the constructor of other values to get an accurate type. It is the practical pattern when you need reliable type detection. Here's a quick look at how this function behaves with different values. Whether you pass in collections, primitives, or edge cases like null, this function delivers the expected result each time. It is a helpful utility for any toolkit. Accurately detecting types helps in form validation, error handling, and debugging. It is essential for libraries, frameworks, and data processing pipelines. This function gives you full control over type recognition logic. You can even extend it into support custom types and class names. This simple utility is a great addition to any JavaScript project. It ensures precise type checking and is much more readable than bulky type of logic. Try it out and see how it improves your debugging and logic checks. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.